Hey, it's Deja from Online Success Made Simple. Listen, if you have ever stared at a blank screen like it personally offended you, if you've ever said, I know I've got a book in me, but I don't know where to start, you are in the right room, okay? Welcome to Writing with ChatGPT, from blogs to books. Tonight's energy is very much. Writer's block is dead. ChatGPT killed it. And now it's your turn to finally hit publish. Here's the deal. We're not here to sound like robots. We're here to sound like you, just faster. This class helps you keep your real voice, speed up your whole publishing process. We're going to write full blogs, ebooks, newsletters, the whole thing. One idea turns into a whole content universe. I can carry the bags, but you are still the star of the show. All right, blogs. This is where I don't know what to write gets escorted out the chat. These prompts, you literally copy, paste into ChatGPT, and watch a full blog pop out. While we work through them, you'll practice switching tone like you switch outfits, playing with length, mini post or full article, sliding in your stories, and giving your posts headlines that snatch attention. By the end, no idea won't be your issue anymore. Now, this is where we stop creating content like we're being punished. Instead of making something new for every single platform, we start with one solid blog and work smart. Blog, social posts, emails, lead magnets. One piece of content feeding everything else. Your content is doing overtime, so you don't have to. Book people, this is your slide. You've had chapters sitting in your head for years. We're not keeping them trapped there any longer. We're gonna let AI help you outline a 10-chapter ebook. Expand that outline into chapters with stories and tips. And craft an intro that makes people think, oh yeah, I'm definitely reading this. Then that book turns into a lead magnet, a paid product, or a juicy bonus. Same you, new income stream. These are your do the most with the least prompts. We're turning one blog into 5 social posts, 1 personal email newsletter, 1 quick 15-second video script, and a simple lead magnet checklist. One idea becomes posts, emails, reels, and resources. That's how you get consistent without losing your mind. Within the next 24 hours, I want you using this prompt right here. You're taking one blog and flipping it into a 3-part email series that warms people up for your offer. You walk away with 3 ready-to-edit emails, a little mini system you can reuse forever. 1 prompt, real momentum, no overthinking. Homework time. Don't roll your eyes. This is the part that actually moves your business. Step 1, pick a topic your people actually care about. Step 2, use that blog prompt to let ChatGPT write your first 1,000-word draft. Step 3, publish it, not save it to drafts and forget. Hit post. That one blog, it's your seed for future emails, mini books, and more. Done, perfect. We're not chasing perfection, we're chasing progress. Let's bring it home. AI's role is simple: speed, structure, stamina. Your role, the story, the heart, the experience nobody else has. So from here on, write boldly, edit with heart. Retire that one day I'll do it speech. Start now. The whole goal is to go from I'm working on something to I wrote it. Here's the link. That's the energy we're walking in after this. Now, if you're sitting there like, Deja, I need this energy and these receipts every week, this slide is your map. You've got the website, the support email, and the Skool community. That's where we keep practicing, keep learning, and keep stacking wins together. And yes, Next week, we're back with copywriting that converts. All about writing words that don't just look cute. They click, comment, and cash out. If you know you're coming back, drop next week in the chat so I know you're not just inspired, you're locked in. All right, y'all, that's a wrap on writing with ChatGPT. From blogs to books, you've officially run out of excuses. No more, I don't know what to write. Now it's, I've got blogs, books, and emails loading, period. And listen, we are not done. Next week, we're turning the heat up with copywriting that converts. We're talking writing words that make people click, save, and buy. Letting AI help you write sales copy that still sounds like you. Turning cute content into this just made me money content. So if you love tonight, you do not want to miss that. Go ahead and drop next week in the chat if you're rolling with us into copywriting. That converts because this author energy you're in right now, we're about to make it profitable.